Raise your right hand and let's recite together the Pledge of Loyalty. I solemnly pledge my loyalty to Quezon City Science High School. I pledge to uphold the noble traditions and the ideals and bring honor and glory to our alma mater. I pledge to continuously strive for excellence, to better serve my country as an active member of our society. I pledge to be steadfast in promoting social justice with utmost love and compassion. I pledge to live a life that embodies the spirit of our motto. Scientia et Virtus. So help me God.